Thought of the day. If you're doing your best, you won't have any time to worry about your failure. If you're doing your best, you won't have any time to worry about your failure. Once a carpenter who was nearing retirement told his boss that he was ready to end his career and spend his time with his wife and family. He would miss his work, but he felt it was time to spend his time with the people who were important to him. His boss was shocked by this news, as this carpenter had been a good, reliable employee for many years. He asked the carpenter if he could do him a favor and build just one more house. The carpenter considered, even though his passion for building had faded. While he was building this last house, his normal work ethic faded and his efforts were mediocre. He used inexpensive and inferior materials and cut corners. It was a poor way to finish such dedicated career that he once had. When carpenter was finished, his boss came to look at the house. He gave the key to the carpenter and said, "This house is my gift to you for all of the hard work you have done for me over the year." The carpenter was astonished what a generous gift this was to receive from his boss. But if he had known he was building a house for himself, he would have made this usual effort to create a high quality house. So, if you're doing your best, you won't have any time to worry about your failure. Thank you. Have a best day.